if you want to share files with iPhone on OPPO Reno 15, first of all, we can go to Settings, and then over here in Settings, we're gonna go to the Device Connect. Now in here, we're gonna find the Share with iPhone or PC option. And over here, we can find out that we can use OPPO Connect in order to transfer files between two phones, between OPPO Reno 15 and iPhone quite easily. So on iPhone, we need to get OPPO Connect. So you can simply open the App Store and you can search for OPPO. Let's try to enter the name. There we go, OPPO Connect. There we go. And then in here, we should be able to find the app. In my case, I actually have to update it, so let's quickly do so. Just make sure that this is the app that you download on your phone. And we're gonna open it. And in here, we can just turn on this option. We can also grant all the necessary permissions in here. There we go. And now let's say we want to, oh, actually there are some other stuff. We need to switch to allow all the time, actually. There we go. All right, so now we have 10 minutes to transfer our files if you want to do so. So the easiest way to transfer files is to, let's say, go to Photos. Let's say I want to transfer a photo from my phone, from OPPO Reno 15 to the iPhone. So what I can do is I can open the photo over here, and then we should be able to face both phones together. So more or less like this. There we go, we have this little animation. Let me quickly show you how it looks like. There we go. So we can now swipe up in order to send the photo to the iPhone. And of course, over here, we should connect with the OPPO. Now let's wait. You might need to also allow the use of location, of course. And you might need to confirm to join the same Wi-Fi. So whatever it is necessary to do, you will have to do that. And there we go, the transfer is complete. Now, you don't really have to touch these two phones together like I did. This is just like a gimmick. You can actually transfer data without it. I'm just gonna show you based now on the example of transferring from iPhone to OPPO Reno 15, because I shown you first from OPPO to iPhone. So now let's see the other way around. So in this case, I'm just gonna use any of the photos that I have in here, and I can use, let's say, the share button. And in here you can find OPPO Connect. If you use share button on OPPO Reno 15, then you can also find the iPhone option, so you can use that. And there we go, we can find our OPPO, we can select it from the list over here, from that area, and then of course we can just accept the transfer, and there we go. It works without that motion, without touching these two phones together or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.